Real estate investing has long been recognized as a reliable strategy for building wealth. With its potential for appreciation, cash flow, and tax benefits, real estate offers investors a tangible and lucrative asset class. However, investing in real estate requires knowledge, careful planning, and a strategic approach. In this video, we will delve into the world of real estate investing and provide a comprehensive guide on how to invest in real estate and build long-term wealth. Understanding real estate investing. Before diving into the investment process, it's essential to understand the fundamentals of real estate investing. Real estate can be classified into various categories, including residential, commercial, industrial, and raw land. Each category has its own unique characteristics and considerations. Residential real estate typically involves properties such as single-family homes, condominiums, or apartment buildings, while commercial real estate includes office buildings, retail spaces, and warehouses. Setting investment goals. Setting clear investment goals is a crucial first step in any investment strategy, including real estate. Determine your objectives, whether it's generating passive income, long-term wealth accumulation, or diversifying your investment portfolio. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals will help guide your decision-making process and enable you to track your progress. Conducting market research. Market research is vital when investing in real estate. Analyze local market conditions, including supply and demand dynamics, price trends, rental rates, and economic indicators. Familiarize yourself with the neighborhood, amenities, and future development plans. Assess the potential for growth and the overall stability of the market. This information will help you identify the best locations for investment and make informed decisions. Financing options. Real estate investments often require substantial capital. Therefore, understanding your financing options is critical. Consider traditional financing through banks or explore alternative sources such as private lenders, partnerships, or real estate investment trusts. REIT. Evaluate the terms, interest rates, repayment periods, and associated costs to select the most suitable financing option for your investment strategy. Choosing the right property. Selecting the right property is a crucial factor in real estate investing. Consider factors such as location, property type, condition, potential for appreciation, and cash flow. Determine your investment strategy. Whether it's flipping properties for short-term gains or buying and holding for long-term rental income. Conduct thorough property inspections and due diligence to assess any potential issues or hidden costs. Calculating return on investment. Understanding how to calculate the return on investment is essential in real estate investing. ROI helps evaluate the profitability of an investment by comparing the expected returns to the initial investment. Key metrics to consider include cash-on-cash return, cap rate, capitalization rate, and gross rent multiplier. These calculations enable you to make informed decisions based on potential returns and risk assessment. Managing the investment. Proper management of your real estate investment is crucial for long-term success. If you choose to rent out the property, ensure you have a solid tenant screening process in place, including credit checks, references, and income verification. Establish clear lease agreements and conduct regular property maintenance. For larger investments, consider engaging professional property management services to handle day-to-day operations and tenant relations. Utilizing tax benefits. Real estate investments offer several tax advantages that can significantly impact your overall returns. Familiarize yourself with tax deductions, such as mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. Consult with a tax professional to ensure you maximize these benefits and comply with tax laws in your jurisdiction. Diversifying your portfolio. Diversification is a key principle of successful investing. While real estate can be a lucrative investment, it's important to diversify your portfolio to mitigate risk. Consider including other asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, to create a well-rounded investment strategy. Real estate investing has the potential to generate substantial wealth over time. By understanding the fundamentals, conducting thorough market research, selecting the right properties, and managing your investments effectively, you can leverage real estate as a powerful wealth-building tool. Remember to set clear goals, seek professional advice when needed, and continuously educate yourself to stay ahead in the ever-evolving real estate market. With dedication, patience, and careful planning, real estate investing can pave the way to long-term financial prosperity. That's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.